Howdy everybody, and welcome back to GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals. This is episode 30, and I believe this is going to be the last one I do because I think everyone will have enough fundamentals down after this to get any basic game that they want to make running. So today we are going to talk about fonts, so let's get cracking. Let's create a new font, choose whatever we want. I'm going to use 8-bit Pussab, whatever that is, some 8-bit font I downloaded a while back probably. And let's set our font size to 16. It's 8-bit. And let's see, give it a name. Font underscore 8-bit. Whoops. Can't use a dash. 8-bit. There we go. Now we want to turn off our anti-aliasing because this is a pixel perfect font and keep the style regular. We can add a range, so if we wanted to only include stuff like the normals, if we want to contain everything from 32 to 127 in the ASCII range, or if we want to contain everything, including all these random stuff that nobody ever actually uses, and we use that. Or we could just have digits or just letters. We'll just keep it at normal for now. And it shows us a preview of what the different values in the text would actually look like when it draws onto the screen. Now we need to come back to our object player. And we'll probably want to actually set our font. So let's see. Draw underscore set underscore font. Font underscore 8-bit. And draw underscore set underscore H-align. So that's our horizontal alignment. And we want to center our font. So in that case, we do FA underscore center. And draw underscore set underscore V align, vertical alignment, FA underscore top. And there's different values for this. We can do top, middle, or bottom. And same thing with the center, left, right, and center. And this will change what position our font appears in the screen. And in fact, we don't even have to set this here. We can set it all the way back here, and it will carry over to here. Let's give it a try. As you can see, it's rather big compared to the size of what we got on our screen right now. Let's go change that real quick. Make you 8. Something goodbye world and hello world. There we go. All of our text is available and visible. And 1. And as well, back over here to our object player. So we draw set color. Draw set color can change the color of our font. But also we can draw underscore text underscore transformed. So say we want to do x, y minus 64 string, and we want it to be 2 times. So 2 times the font. And let's give it a angle of 30 degrees because we're crazy. There we go. String. So we have a few options available for how we're going to do that there as well. Alright, so that's, again, pretty much the last you need to know to be able to work with fonts here. There's another way you can do fonts, which is a sprite font. However, that's beyond the scope of this. So we're just going to tell you how to work with the regular fonts that are built in. But good luck with your programming, and thank you everybody for watching. It's been a great time. Bye.